What's up, guys? Welcome back. As you can see, I got another storage unit. And also, Thomas is not here. He is in Majestic, Alaska. Yeah, I miss him. But anyways, got a storage unit. I paid $10 for this one. There's not a lot of stuff in there, but there's a couple little goodies in there. No one else bid on it. So, and I'm going to try something new today. I have my typical, GoPros, but we got Matt Cam. So we'll see how this works. I don't want to wear a headgear because one, I like to wear my hats, and two, it's hot as hell when you do. So let's get to it. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. Yeah. All right. So no, not a lot in here. Just a few things. I mean, definitely going to get my $10 worth out of it, though. We'll just start right here. Well, that was awesome. Oh, okay. I don't know how the hell that goes back together, but little Ford F-150 Walker thing, that was cool. I'll figure that out later. Kind of hidden over here is an HP monitor. It's just a little dirty, but it's in excellent shape. So hopefully that works. It takes just a standard plug, and I have a ton of those laying around. So we'll get that tested out, and I might actually use that for myself. I end up using a lot of crap myself from these units. Let's see. Secure personnel pitch hopper. I have no clue what the hell this is. It looks like maybe like a wheel chock of some kind for like maybe a dually truck or something. That's what I would use it for. I mean, let me know what you guys think in the comments. What that is. I mean, I don't know. I need one, so that's what I'm going to use it for. What else we got? We got a hyper tough heater from Walmart. Hopefully that works. Oil pan and some boots. A Tasca. Never heard of them. But they're in, decent shape. So, garage sale. And looks like we got a little speaker here. No brand name. Oh, I'll sell that for $10. That's, the unit right there. Everything else is bonus. Oh, okay, one of those baby sleeper tag-along things. I don't like these things. I don't even know if I'll sell that. I don't trust crap like, don't sleep with your kids. Make sure you have a proper crib and all that. Floor mats. Ooh. Air hose. Looks like a nice one. Yeah, it's a Flexzilla hose, so yeah, those are not cheap. Slide hammer. I think that's a slide hammer. Yeah, that's a slide hammer. Let's see. Looks like an extension cord and a strap, and maybe a light. Little LED light. Braun, Harbor Freight brand. We'll dig through that in a minute. Some dirty old pillows. Hey, sweet. So, Carhartt jacket. What size is it? Extra large. Sweet. Let's see, some car parts. Looks like a beauty cover, engine cover for, I think that's Acura. Not positive on that. Clothing rack. Can always use those for garage sales. Eternal feeding pump, Moog. 500 milliliter internal pump delivery. I don't know what that is. You guys let me know in the comments. There's a bunch of them, whatever it is. Feeding tubes? Are these worth anything? Are they sellable? Yeah, I don't know. Let me know what those are in the comics, guys. Let's see. Backpack, Xbox 360. And of course, I forgot my gloves. As always. Let's see. We got an O2 sensor. Some mini hubcaps. Like, for, yeah. Little dog leash. Looks like some lug nuts in there. I'm not going to dig around in there. I don't feel anything in there. Wish the bag was in better shape because that's a kind of a sweet bag. But whatever. Car seat base. Oh, let's see. That's kind of terrifying. I don't know if you can see that on the matte cam or not, but that, yeah, that's not. I'm not hanging that up in my house. What else we got? We got a knee pad, hoodie. No, the other knee pad. Ugh. Okay, so I know what the little sticks here are for that clothing rack. Oh, I think this is the stand for that light. And then a baseball bat. All right. Ooh, got some weight to it. Ooh, you see what I see in there? Yes. All right. So lots of paperwork. No way that's real. That's not real, is it? No, okay, that's not real. Okay, it even says copy right there. All right, so some ammo. So that's awesome. Let's see. It looks like it is 9mm Blazer. And there's some more. Is this 9mm? It says it is. It looks like it is. So yeah, 9mm. Hopefully the 9mm is in here. Oh boy, would that be fantastic. Lots of paperwork. There's a wallet. Nothing in there. Come on, 9mm. What's this? Nope. I'm going to either blur out all this paperwork or just show from one of these cameras because there's a lot of personal documents in here. Ooh, a bunch of earrings. I don't know if those are real gold or I doubt it, but we'll figure that out at another time. There's a couple phone cases in here, some safety tinted glasses, but no 9mm, unfortunately. Man, one of these days. Yeah, no 9mm. But hey, we got some ammo. That was worth the price of the unit there. But we got one more mystery tote. Oh, and it does have some weight to it. Come on, Firearms. Why would we be that lucky? Well, that's why it's heavy. Oh, there's a frickin' jack in it. And Coffee mugs. Wells Fargo coffee mugs. I'm assuming that's the same thing. Okay. So this person probably worked for Wells Fargo or went and stole a bunch of their promotional stuff from the fair or something. Yeah, so I mean that's about it for this one, guys. Nothing too exciting. And we got the ammo, so that's awesome. So yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment. You know, let me know what those feeding tube things were in the comments, or if you noticed something else that I didn't really point out. Let me know what you think of Matt Cam here, if it works for you guys. I know you guys keep saying, you know, you want up close and personal stuff, and it's like, it's really hard, but, you know, especially not having a cameraman or doing it by myself. So this is the best I got right now. So just, you know, bear with us, guys. We are listening to oh my goodness, we are listening to your comments. So, you know, keep commenting. So thanks, guys.